Hey guys, this is Daniel with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with a tutorial video today. I'll be showing you how to pair your QC30 headset to your phone. First, press and hold the power button. This will turn on your QC30 headset. If it's blinking white, that means there's already a device on the Bluetooth list on the headset. If you want to pair a new device, press and hold the power button either when it's on or it's off and wait until it shows the blue blinking light. That means that your device is now in pairing mode. Let's go to our phone, turn on your Bluetooth, turn on your Bluetooth. There we have it, our device here. Select it. Now the white has changed to white, and your QC30s are now connected to your phone. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we'll do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.